Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix slow generation in Leonardo AI in 2026. So if your images are taking too long to generate, requests seem stuck, or the platform feels unusually slow, here are some common solutions you can try. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. A weak or inconsistent connection can slow down communication between your device and Leonardo AI's servers. Next, refresh the page and try generating the image again. Yeah, temporary platform glitches can occasionally affect generation speed. If the issue continues, review your generation settings. Higher resolutions, advanced models, and larger image batches often require more processing time than standard settings. After that, try generating a simple image with a short prompt. If the simple image generates quickly, the slowdown may be related to the complexity of your original request. Finally, create a new image request and monitor the processing speed. In many cases, reducing complexity, refreshing your session, or waiting for platform traffic to decrease will improve generation performance. And that's it. Those are the most common ways to fix slow generation in Leonardo AI in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.